Hi, I'm at your Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your UForce Nerf Rail. Now that we have your top side panel broke off, go ahead and remove your bottom one. You'll need to remove the skid plate bolts at the bottom to get them off. Now that all your bolts are removed, you can remove your panels. You can remove your rear panel and your middle panel. Now you're ready to install your front bracket. We'll use two 8mm bolts to come in the kit and one 6mm bolt to come in the kit. You're now ready to start your rear bracket. You want to start by using your middle hole and an 8mm bolt. In order to find where to drill your middle hole, we'll need to reinstall your rear plastic piece. Next, you want to put the lower bracket in the center hole, slotted hole. Start it. Now you may want to apply an anti-speed to your thread inside the Nerf Rail. Now we can set your Nerf Rail in place and start the bolt. Now it's time to snug up all your bolts where it raises your Nerf Rail where it sticks. Now you want to take your middle Nerf Rail bracket and set over your holes. Start the two outer holes with your bolts from the kit. Now you want to take your spacer and place it between the tube of the frame and the shoe and your bracket. Now with your hole you drilled all the way through your plastic, you want to drill from the back side through your front plastic. Now you want to take an 1.5-inch hole saw and drill out your holes in your plastic. You need to drill out the plastic in the rear as well. We're now ready to repeat the same process you did in the middle on the rear. You'll start your bolt through your hole, and then you will line up your spacer between the bar and the bracket. Drill your hole. You now want to reinstall your plastic so you can drill from the back to the front through your plastic so you can cut out your larger diameter hole with your hole saw. Now you want to take your 8mm washers and your 8x110mm bolt, slide it in from the rear, and then take your spacer and slide it over your bolt. With your spacer installed, it's now time to put your lower bracket on, a washer, and a nut. Now your outer section has weld nuts in it. You will place it over your inner section and start your bolts from the bottom. Now with your bottom bolt still loose, stick your wrench between the bracket and tighten to the rear. Now that you have all your bolts tightened, you can take your plastic plugs and place on the inside of your hole. You need to repeat the same process in the rear as you did in the center. Start by installing your bolt from the rear. Next, we're going to have to drill our most rearward hole in the bottom bracket so that we can put a bolt through the frame. Now that you have all your bolts pre-installed, you can tighten up all your bolts for your Nerf Rail and reinstall all your plastic hardware. And then you're ready to ride. Thank you for visiting Thumper Fab.